They're super easy, low carb, and I'm gonna show you how. So good. Come on. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Lay your provolone slices out onto parchment paper. Then you're going to mix and mash your tuna and mayonnaise together. I use about a tablespoon of mayonnaise. You don't want to use too much because you want it to be a little bit dry. The edges of the provolone slices should look like this, just browned enough but not burnt. Set the cookie sheet aside and let it cool just enough for you to be able to put your tuna onto each slice of cooked cheese. When the cheese is cool enough to touch, you're going to fold over each slice of cheese and press down to cover up the tuna. You're going to place these back into the broiler for 1 to 2 more minutes. Once they come out of the oven, you're going to take a fork and just fork press the edges just to seal them. Then you're going to place all of your tuna melts onto a paper towel just to block them dry a little bit and to cool a little bit more. These are great to have on hand in your fridge. I put them in a Tupperware with a paper towel and then just cover them. Full recipe at thekellykitchen.com. Looking for an easy keto lunch? Try these tuna melts.